Hi, this is letter A.
A is for apple, ant and axe. B is for ball, bat and box. C is for cat, cup and car. D is for dog, drum and door. E is for elephant, egg and ear. F is for fish, fan and frog. G is for goat, grapes and gift. H is for hat, hen and house. I is for igloo, insect and ink. J is for jam, jug and jeep. K is for kite, king and key. L is for lion, leaf and lamp. N is for monkey, moon and mug. N is for net, nose and nest. O is for owl, ox and orange. P is for pen, pig and pan. Q is for queen, quill and quilt. R is for rabbit, ring and rose. S is for sun, sock and star. T is for tiger, tap and train. U is for umbrella, urn and uniform. V is for van, vest and violin. W is for watch, whale and wall. X is for x-ray, xylophone and fox. Y is for yak, yo-yo and yarn. Z is for zebra, zip and zoo. Now we know our ABC.